Hi. I have a story, a really fun story about what we're talking about. Can I share?
Yeah.
I listen to you when I exercise. I'm feeling really grateful. Thank you so much. I listen to you when I exercise, and so that puts me in alignment. And then sometimes I listen to music, too. I divorced a while ago and had a blah, 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 blah story about how to move toward relationship again that I wanted to talk to you about early in the week. And when I thought of it, I would get a little tear, and you didn't call on me, which is great because it was blah, blah, blah. But as I exercised, I would sometimes listen to a song by Jason Mars called I'm Yours. And there's a line in it that says, just scooch on over here and I will nibble your ear. Even though I couldn't imagine myself in relation to male energy again because of the blah, 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 which is a long story, which nobody's going to hear. And I really thought I needed to tell it, to shift it. I came looking to shift this. I thought I needed to tell that, and I don't.
Well, you sort of kind of are a little bit, so cut it out.
Sorry. Thanks. Okay, so back to the ear nibbling. So I would feel this line in the song, and I would sometimes go back on YouTube and play it again and feel, I could feel it. I could feel, just nibble my ear, right? And that's as far as I kind of got. So I got here, didn't really expect there to be any single men, went to a party, and was doing this thing that I've been doing lately where I try to relate to everything as my boyfriend, everything, because I feel like whatever I'm looking for in that one focused place, I can get from everywhere else, whether it's the blue light on the curtain or you or the wind on my face, all that tenderness and focus and mirroring. Everything that I want is flowing to me all the time.
Good process.
And so I was in that at this party and feeling the ocean and the wind and the people I was talking to, the men and the women, and this very hot man came and started talking to me. And I talked to him and I actually talked about this whole sort of boyfriend, everything is my boyfriend experience. And then, he was so hot and younger than me, and so we were at a party, and so I kind of moved away from him, because I didn't think it was for me. And he followed me and stood beside me after I'd gone to the ocean to be with the ocean, my boyfriend, So this really beautiful man showed up again beside me, and I was like, wow, what? And he said to me, we were interacting, and it was puzzling to me because I wasn't looking for it, right? I wasn't there looking. I didn't think there were any single men here. So he turned to me and he said, I have kind of an earlobe obsession. Will you take off your earring so I can just see your earlobe? And then I got it, that he was actually flirting with me, and I said, okay, and I took off my earring, and
you doubt the ability of the universe to bring you precisely. You see how she's doing what we were trying to solicit from you earlier? How she had something so specifically focused,
and I had felt
and
it.
The universe was able to deliver to her the specifics of it. And can you feel the empowerment that it gives her? Nothing that is outside my ability to have precisely as I want it to be.
Ever again.
Are you getting it? Really good. Really good. Really good. Enough? Yeah. Really good. Really good. Really good. Doesn't it make you want to get into alignment and make some statements and watch how powerful you are, how heard you are, how understood you are, how available and ready for whatever it is you want you are?